हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम +2 के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें चैप्टर 7 इंटीग्रल्स इज गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑन द इंटीग्रल दिस इज द लेक्चर नंबर 10 फ्रॉम 7.3 onward this year we are doing, and last year up to 7.3 every chapter, every question in NCERT what is given there. We have done all questions solutions from NCERT in the last session. You can watch all videos by click the link which I will give in this video. First you will subscribe the channel and then easy to search out all the videos of +2 chapter 1. Okay, first subscribe the channel. Okay, now this today exercise 7.5 question up to 10 done. From question 11 to 16 today we have to do 11 forward. How much? Okay, and here partial fraction concept is using. पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन मीन्स रेशनल फंक्शन, रेशनल टाइप फंक्शन है, इसके पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन करने हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 5x upon x plus 1 into x square minus 4. So partial fraction only we can do first, integral after that. So 5x as it is upon factors easy here, x plus 1 factor. Second factor a square minus b square, use formula, then a plus b x plus 2 into x minus 2. Direct we can write these factors, three factors of it. Now this partial will be equal what? a upon first factor x plus 1 plus b upon second factor x plus 2, okay, and then plus c upon 3 term will come. The three factors are there in denominator. Okay, this partial, use partial this, and then equate the coefficient, then factor here, denominator LCM same, cancel. Then this implies by simplifying, taking LCM, 5x will be equal to x plus 2 into a, yani these both, this divide, then okay, then x square minus 4 into a x square minus 4a, okay, this, then b x plus 2 finish, then x plus 1 into x minus 2, so plus b into x square, okay beta, x plus 1 and x minus 2 keep product and multiply with b, so b x square, okay, and then minus 2x and plus x, so minus 1x, so minus bx, okay, and 1 to the 2 minus 2, so minus 2b. This, then c denominator x minus 2 in it, then product of x plus 1 and x plus 2 with c, then plus cx square, okay, cx square and 2x and 1x 3x plus 3cx, okay, after that 2 will get 2, okay, protect is 2 will get 2 plus 2, so plus 2c, this. Now after that equate the coefficient to both sides, x square with x square, x coefficient with x, and constant term with constant. So लेफ्ट हैंड में x square coefficient 0 है, तो it means a plus b and plus c equal to 0. a plus b plus c directly I am writing equal to 0. Okay, first equation. Then coefficient of x both sides. Coefficient of x here in right hand minus b and plus 3c minus b plus cc coefficient of x, and coefficient of x in left hand is 5. Now equation number 2 and the third constant left hand 0 and right hand 2c minus 2b and minus 4a. So minus 4a minus 2b and plus 2c is equal to 0 because left hand में constant term है ही, single term है 5x. So now take this and this, a b c में है तो a की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. a वैल्यू minus b minus c we can put here. So first and third, solving what, this is third. Solving what, substitute value of a from 1 into third. So minus b minus c, minus 4 into minus a plus 4a minus 4 into a value minus b into minus 4. So then, okay, after that a value put here, then minus c and minus 4 plus 4c. This value put here and minus 2b minus plus 2c is equal to 0. Then simplify. Then 4b minus 2b and 4c plus 2c plus 6c is equal to 0. Equation number 4 and then equation number 2, take this minus b plus 3c equal to 5. This is equation number 2. Solving these both, multiply by 2 in the second equation and add. Multiply by 2, what will come? So this will be minus 2b plus 2 3 just 6c is equal to 2 5 just 10. This is equation number 2. And this equation 4. Simplify. This cancel, add, and 6 6 12c is equal to 10. Okay, then c is equal to 10 divided by 12, 5 upon 6. Okay, this value of c is got. Now put in equation 2 value c, then b equal, from equation number 2, b equal 5 plus b, 5 plus b, b equal to 5 minus 3c, minus 3c, 3 5 is 15 upon 6, 3c, 5 minus 3c, that is equal to b. Okay, b equal to 5, 3c minus 5, sorry, 3c minus 5 b value. Then this will be 6 5 by 30 minus 30 plus 15 divided by 6. Then minus के 15 divided by 6. Then 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6. Then equal to minus 5 upon 2. This is the value of b. Now we can find value of a. A is equal to minus b minus c from first. Minus b 5 by 2 उसका हो गया and minus c. C is 5 by 2 minus 5 by 6. Then this implies LCM is 6. 3 5 are 15 minus 5. Then 10 upon 6. Then 2 5 are 10. 2 3 are 5 upon 6. So value of A 5 upon 3. So these three value put here and question will reduce. Okay, by this partial integral three integrals में आ जाएगा. Integral of A is 5 upon 3 constant out A into dx upon x plus 1. First term. Second term plus b and b value is negative. So negative out minus 5 upon 2. This is the value of b and dx upon second term x plus 2. Okay. Third term c upon x minus 2 and b value is 5 upon 6. So plus 5 upon 6 and dx upon third term x minus 2. Now this simplify forward. Now log linear है तो log of x plus 1 है. Derivative x plus 1 1, derivative x plus 2 1, derivative x minus 2 1. So directly we can do 5 upon 3 log of x plus 1 and the derivative formula minus 5 upon 2 log of x plus 2 plus 5 upon 6 log of x minus 2 plus integral constant. So this is your answer. Only main solution partial. This partial fraction. So using partial fraction and finding the integral of the rational function p x upon qx, rational function integral. Very easy by partial. Done. Okay. Next question. हाँ बेटा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. देखो कैसा 12 क्वेश्चन. इसमें रेशनल फंक्शन जो है उसमें ऊपर की डिग्री 3 है, नीचे की डिग्री 2 है. तो वी नो पार्शियल रूल के इफ px upon qx if this has degree of px is greater or equal qx. Okay, then if then divide divide it and write quotient 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 plus remainder upon divisor qx. This is the important. So now here degree न्यूमरेटर एंड px की डिग्री 3 डिग्री है, इसकी 2 डिग्री है, तो दिस इज द डिग्री. तो दिस वी हैव टू यूज डिवाइड. तो डिवाइड फर्स्ट, divide x cube plus x plus 1 divided by denominator x square minus 1. तो नौ डिवाइड किया, क्या आया? फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ x क्यूब है, तो क्यूब के लिए x से मल्टीप्लाई किया, x स्क्वायर इनटू x क्यूब, यू नॉन डिवीजन. ओके, एंड x इनटू 1 माइनस x, तो लाइक टर्म below like that. Okay, right, and subtract, change the sign, then cancel, so plus 2x plus 1 as it is. Then this is the remainder. Why remainder? Why this remainder? Because this is 1 degree and this divisor 2 degree. So if this less than the divisor, then that is remainder. So we can write this question, we can write integral of quotient x dx quotient plus remainder integral of 2x plus 1 remainder divided by x square minus 1 divisor this dx. This is the important step. Use this. Now forward easy, integral of x square by 2 done plus this partial, how can do 2x plus 1 upon दो फैक्टर हो गया x plus 1 because x square minus 1 square we can write a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. ओके बेटा, दो फैक्टर, तो इसके पार्शियल क्या होंगे? दिस इंप्लाइज a upon x plus 1 and plus b upon x minus 1. दो फैक्टर हो गए. नाउ एलसीएम सेम, these are the same, then cancel. So this only 2x numerator plus 1 is equal a into x ax and plus b into x bx and minus a and plus b. by taking LCM, equate the coefficient x coefficient, so that a plus b must be equal to 2. Equation number 1, and constant minus a plus b, constant b must be equal plus 1. This is equation number 2. Solving for the equation, adding, okay, and minus a plus b equal 1. Equation 2. Add both, cancel, okay beta, then 2b by substitution method, elimination method, any method you can use. Then 2 plus 1, 3. Then this implies b equal 3 upon 2. This is the value of b. Then a equal 2 minus b, 2 minus b equal 2 minus 3 upon 2, 2 is a 4. 4 minus 3, 1 upon 2. This is value a. So this integral reduced into 2 parts, a upon x plus 1. A value 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 out, dx upon x plus 1. Second, plus b upon b value, a value half, b value 3 by 2. So plus 3 by 2 integral of dx upon x minus 1. Now integral easy, simplify only this plus log, half log x plus 1 plus 3 upon 2 log x minus 1. Okay, this plus constant. If you want to solve both log, so half here, 3 take cube, so x minus 1 cube into x plus 1. We can write, okay, half out, 3 inside cube. So we can write both the half log of m into n. So log of x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole cube. Okay, or otherwise this answer. Like this we can do. Next question. Question number 13. Find the integral of 2 upon 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. ये 1 plus x square वैसा है, क्वांटिटी का इससे फैक्टर पॉसिबल नहीं है. ओके, तो इसके लिए स्पेशल व्हाट इज दैट, 2 upon 1 minus x linear, and this factor can't be possible, so then it is quadratic as it is. So here partial of this a upon 1 factor 1 minus x, okay beta, and then plus here bx, because this is quadratic and factor not possible, so bx plus c, this is right upon this quadratic 1 plus x. Remember this partial, okay, if like this, then simplify. How this LCM same cancel, then numerator 2 is equal ax square plus a and plus minus bx square. Write them together and write it bx की multiply minus bx square and after that plus bx and plus bx हो गया बेटा and then minus cx and plus c. So plus a है that and plus this c under c. Okay. All projects done here is each LCM by taking LCM. Be careful. Then compare x square coefficient to here 0. Then a minus b equals 0. Equation 1. Okay. Second equation, coefficient of x it will be 0. So b minus c also equal to 0. Because x variable term not here, only constant here plus 2. So then this equation number 2 and equation 3 constant a plus c constant is equal to 2. ओके बेटा तो यहाँ से a की वैल्यू a इज इक्वल टू b, यहाँ से ये वैल्यू बनी a इक्वल टू b पुट किया यहाँ b की जगह a पुट किया तो a माइनस c इक्वल टू 0. ओके और ये a प्लस c is equal to 2. Equation number 3. Okay, and what? Then minus c plus c cancel. 2a is equal to 2. Then a equal to 1. So b also equal to 1 and c equal to 2 minus a. 2 minus a. This also 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. C also 1. All three values are 1, 1, 1. Okay. So now this question reduced into two parts. A, integral of A is 1 dx upon 1 minus x plus bx. B is 1x plus c also 1. Put these A, B, C value and upon 1 plus x square dx. Okay. The derivative you can take by that method. You can do this. Here again, because here quantity is linear, so we can write linear x plus 1 equal a into derivative of this, I mean d by dx of 1 plus x square. Derivative of this and plus b special. Okay, then x plus 1 equal derivative of 1 0 x square derivative 2x, तो 2ax plus b. Okay, then compare x coefficient 2a. So 2a is equal to coefficient of x 1, then a is equal to 1 upon 2. Then coefficient constant term b plus 1. B is equal to 1. So put these values here. Then this integral log of 1 minus x and divide by minus 1. So minus log 1 minus x and plus this a into derivative of this a value is half, so half into derivative 1 plus x square 2x divided by denominator 1 plus x square. So दो part में and plus b b means 1, then dx dx b is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now integral of this by substitution, so minus log 1 minus x additive plus half. It is let this be, so that derivative of this 2x upon t, so log t. Okay, this half integral of dt, ये dt में चला जाएगा dt upon t. Okay, and plus this b this and this 1 upon a is 1, a square plus this dx upon this formula a square plus x square is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus constant. This formula used here, a is 1 here, okay? Here 1 plus x square. Then this 1 upon a, ठीक है बेटा? A is 1 upon 1 tan inverse x upon 1 plus integral constant over a. Then this minus log 1 minus x and plus half log t, half log t. T means 1 plus x square and plus tan inverse x plus constant. So this is your answer. Okay, like this we can do. Next question. हाँ जी, next question, question number 14 is integral of 3x minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole square. अब whole square है तो डबल फैक्टर्स है सेम, तो इसकी पार्शियल स्पेशल होगी. क्या होगा इसका पार्शियल? 3x minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole square will be equal a upon linear x plus 2 as it is without square and plus b upon x plus 2 whole square. This partial. Okay? Then always use this with by this square quantity same factor. Then this will be reduced LCM same x plus 2 whole square LCM cancel. Then numerator bx minus 1 equal अब ये मल्टीप्लाई होगी एक्स स्क्वायर एलसीएम भी यही है तो ए का भी यही रहेगा भाई ये देखिए एलसीएम आएगा x प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर इसके डिनोमिनेटर से एलसीएम को डिवाइड करेंगे x प्लस 2 बचेगा so that ax plus 2 is this after that इससे एलसीएम को डिवाइड किया तो सेम है 1 and it will be as it is b एलसीएम only same then equate coefficient x coefficient here only a and here a equal to x coefficient 3 then equating the coefficient x both side and constant are 2a plus b is equal to minus 1 then a value put 3 to the 6 plus b equal to minus 1 ठीक है अब b equal minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 these value put here and this integral will be reduced into two integral. First integral a is 3 upon x plus 2. First integral. Second integral plus b and b is minus 7. So b value minus 7. So minus 7 divided by x plus 2 whole square. Okay, how can do this? X plus 2 whole square. Integral of this. Power ऊपर ले जाओ. लीनियर है, सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर लो, से हो जाएगा. ठीक है? तो let x plus 2 equal to t derivative of this 1 dx is equal to dt. The question will reduce minus 7 integral of dx is dt upon dt upon t square. Okay, this and this integral log of x plus 2 derivative of x plus 2 is 1. So as it is okay. Now this t square will go up, power negative, so minus power will go this as it is and minus 7 and integral of t power minus 2 dt. Our formula then this as it is 3 log x plus 2 minus 7 and t power minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 सॉरी -2 + 1 n+1 तो then -1 upon -1 okay plus integral constant then this 3 log x plus 2 minus 7 minus minus plus 7 or t power -1 means 1 upon t means this 3 log x plus 2 plus 7 upon t. T is again x plus 2 plus constant. Okay, important question. Important can do. Next question. Yes, beta. Next question. Question number 15 is integral of dx upon x power 4 minus 1. X power 4 minus 1 we can break into two part x square whole square minus 1 square तो a square minus b square से दो फैक्टर हो जाएंगे ठीक है बेटा क्या क्या फैक्टर बनेंगे टू फैक्टर x square plus 1 and x square minus 1 and again x square minus 1 के x plus 1 and x minus 1 okay बेटा factor possible and main factor done so this implies partial means 1 is equal to 1 upon x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 will be equal to LCM. What will be LCM? X square plus 1 into x square minus 1. So LCM will be same x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. This so अब पार्शियल हमने लिखे हैं नहीं पार्शियल लिखने पहले then we have to do तो तीन फैक्टर बनेंगे a upon x square plus 1 plus b upon x plus 1 plus c upon x minus 1 okay now LCM same cancel then simplify 1 numerator bracket a ये फैक्टर दूसरे फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 से तो ax स्क्वायर माइनस a डन ठीक है आफ्टर दैट b के नीचे x प्लस 1 कैंसिल हो गया फिर दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई इनटू b तो b के साथ ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होंगे तो x क्यूब bx क्यूब ठीक है बेटा एंड माइनस bx स्क्वायर ठीक है b के फिर ओके x स्क्वायर bx स्क्वायर एंड b माइनस bx दोनों में होगी अब प्लस b 1 बन जा 1 माइनस b ओके अब एक आएगा आपका देखो माइनस x स्क्वायर ले लिया एक आएगा प्लस x तो प्लस x भी लेना होगा तो bx ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई होगी प्लस एक्स भी आएगा तो डी एक्स। एंड नाउ दिस आफ्टर दिस सी अब हो गया, दोनों का हो गया। अब सी ये मल्टीप्लाई होगी, ठीक है, सी के साथ हो जाएगा कंटिन्यूस लिख रहे यहाँ प्लस सी एक्स क्यूब भी आएगा। ओके बेटा, अब इसके और इसके प्लस सी एक्स क्यूब फिर सी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सी एक्स भी आएगा एंड प्लस सी डी। ओके, now after that denominator finish, that is 1, the constant term only, equate only a 0 होगा, क्यूब वाले दोनों क्यूब बनेंगे, a क्यूब नहीं है, ठीक है, तो only c plus b equal 0, नंबर 1। क्यूब कोफिशिएंट एक्स स्क्वायर ओके 3 है, तो a प्लस c माइनस b, a प्लस c माइनस b आल्सो 0, एक्स स्क्वायर भी नहीं है, अच्छा एक्स भी नहीं है, तो एक्स वाले कितने हैं, एक्स bx plus cx, then b plus c also 0, and third constant minus a minus b plus c, minus a minus b plus c equal 1, b equal to minus c। अब देखो यहाँ पर इसको पुट कर दो, यहाँ बी और सी में ये दोनों सेम इक्वेशन है, तो एक इक्वेशन हो गई, तो यहाँ बी को पुट कर दो माइनस सी, तो माइनस ए एंड माइनस बी की वैल्यू माइनस सी, तो माइनस बी की वैल्यू सी प्लस सी एंड प्लस दिस सी इज इक्वल टू 1। पुट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट क्या पुट किया मैंने, b की वैल्यू माइनस सी, ओके, तो देन दिस आफ्टर दैट a plus c minus b, a plus c, यहाँ भी पुट कर दो, इक्वेशन नंबर 3 और ये 2, इसमें पुट कर दो a एंड प्लस c माइनस b, तो माइनस b की वैल्यू c प्लस c इक्वल 0। अब इनको क्या करो, दोनों को ऐड कर दो, तो 2c प्लस 2c 4c is equal to 1, c is equal to 1/4, c की वैल्यू आ गई, तो b is equal to minus 1/4, b आ गया, then a equal minus a equal b minus c, a equal b minus c, b value minus 1/4 and minus c minus 1/4, then minus 1/2. A is minus 1/2. Then question will reduce into three partials. A upon x square. A is minus 1/2. Minus 1/2 dx upon x square plus 1. Then after that plus b. B is minus 1/4. So minus 1/4 integral of dx upon x plus 1. And plus c. C is 1/4. So plus 1/4 dx upon x minus this. Now minus half. This is tan inverse x plus log x minus 1 minus 1/4 minus 1/4 log x plus 1 प्लस इंटीग्रल कांस्टेंट और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं माइनस हाफ tan इनवर्स x 1/4 कॉमन प्लस 1/4 कॉमन तो log m माइनस log n तो log m माइनस log n log m अपॉन n log m upon n m upon n plus constant. This we can do because here 1/4 common log m minus log n. Formula I told log m minus log n equal to log m upon n. Log m upon n. Done. Okay. Next question. Okay. Done. Like, share, and subscribe the channel and send the video to the other content. Guide them. They must watch, like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.